Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to cancel Gauthmath subscription. So, in order to do this, first of all, log into your Gauth account. Go to Gauth website, that is gauthmath.com, and sign in using your account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the account dashboard or profile section and look for a tab or section labeled subscription or manage subscription. In the subscription section, you should see an option to cancel your active subscription. Click on the Cancel Subscription button. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm your decision to cancel. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the cancellation. And once your cancellation is processed, you will likely receive a confirmation email. Make sure to check your inbox for this email to ensure your subscription has been successfully cancelled. If you're cancelling within a certain period, you may be eligible for a refund. Review Gauth's refund policy to see if you qualify. So that's how you do it. If you found this video helpful, please like and thanks for watching.